Well, greetings. Hi, I'm Jake, Wizard4, and this is Midnight Science Club. It's where a group of scientists get together and share ideas, and I thought I'd share one of my neatest ideas with you, one of my favorite science demonstrations. Let me introduce you to the Electric Pickle, and it's cool. Woo! So the Electric Pickle, the world-famous Electric Pickle. Many people say, is this a dangerous thing, Jake? And I said, no, I've done it 4 times. And I've not really had too much trouble with it. I'd like to say that I invented it, I didn't. It was an old activity that was first written in the literature in about the year 1840 by a German chemist named Kolb, K-O-L-B. And they were fascinated with all the new discoveries in electric current, and in a bar next to their laboratory, they had some pickled eggs, and they ran a current through the egg and it lit up. We did this on The Tonight Show with Jay Leno, and I think it's been on every scientific and late night show in America and around the world many times. Anyway, the way it works is it's very simple. We take 110 volts from the wall. We've done it with 220 volts before, but it explodes the pickle. It's kind of a mess, so we use 110 volts. We always have it switched. Not only will I have a switch here, but we'll run it through a power strip with a surge protector just so nobody gets electrocuted. And the 2 leads that are switched, the wires are bared, and I connected 1 lead to each of 2 forks with some little prongs on the end. I like these forks because they're little pickle forks and they have sharp little barbs which make a good spark. And we did try with the cucumber, by the way, and it won't work because the cucumber is just filled mostly with water and not a good conductor. But as we all know, that this former cucumber, now a pickle, is filled with vinegar and salt. And that acid in the vinegar and the salt makes an excellent conductor. However, this pickle is filled with cell walls and cell membranes. And so when we run a current through it, you'll see lots of sparks. And that comes from the electric current busting through the cell walls. And what happens is there's a lot of sodium ions provided by the salt, sodium chloride. So the Na+, this solution is filled with Na+ or sodium ions. And here come a bunch of electrons and turns that sodium ion into elemental sodium. And it's so hot that it gives off that characteristic yellow light. And it makes steam come out, moisture in it, so it hisses and spits and sparks, which is a wonderful science demonstration for a wizard, I must say. So when I die, you'll see my name on the tombstone. There will also be a pickle there, because that's what I did. This is my mark on the planet Earth right there, Electric Pickle. Are you ready for this? Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna flip the switch and whoa! Wow. We have an electric pickle. Man, that thing stinks. Get a whiff of that. Sweet. I'm gonna turn that off. It's sparking. Wow. Hey, thanks for listening to the old wizard talk about his favorite demo. I mean, what can I say? Where else can you see a pickle light up and hiss and spit at you except at Midnight Science Club? And if you like what you saw, please join us. You be part of our fellowship. We love to get together and share ideas and have a good time and learn a little science. You ain't doing nothing. Quit picking your nose and follow us on Midnight Science Club.